Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing video of this mic, Encore 300 mic. Okay, so this mic is very useful. It can be used in many parties and everywhere functions. You can use this, and if you are deciding to buy this mic, then I want you to watch this video till the end so that you will be clear about this mic and every its functions and all. So let's start. So let's start. As you can see, this is our mic. Okay, this is our mic. Its name is Encore 300 mic, and as you can see here, this is its box, and in the front side of its box there is given the picture of the mic, how it looks, and its name. And in the side of the box there are given some functions of this mic. As you can see here, there are some functions, and back side there is written something in Chinese which I don't understand, and in this side also there are given that same functions of the mic. Okay, so now let's see what's inside this mic. Okay, first of all, let's open its box, and here you go. As you can see here, this is our mic. Okay, in this box there just comes a mic and a wire, as you can see, but this mic is very useful. Let me show it to you. So first of all, let's take out our mic. As you can see here, this is our mic. Okay, now as you can see, this grip is also very nice. Here is given some small lines, so it will be easier to hold it. As you can see here, so here small lines are given here, and then here is the front part of our mic, and inside of this mic there is also windscreen. Okay, now what is windscreen? It filters the wind. Okay, for example, when you do some videos, then when the wind is blowing you can hear some sound like fud, 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 fud. So when there is windscreen in the mic, that sound also won't come. Okay, windscreen is especially a foam which will filter the wind. So inside this mic also there is windscreen given here. You may not be able to see from the camera, but I can see from here, and here is the windscreen. Okay, and here it is written the name of the mic, as you can see here, and this is also a nice grip of the mic. Here it is given, it has a nice design of the mic, as you can see. And in the back side of the mic, this part, as you can see, here we have to attach our plug of the mic. Here are 3 small holes to attach the wire of our mic. Okay, this wire. Now let us have a look in our wire. So as you can see here, this is our wire. Okay, first of all, let me take out this. As you can see here, I have taken out this, and this wire is also pretty long, and this part will go inside our mic. As you can see, here are also that same 3 holes which were in our mic, as you can see over here. So it is very easy. Now just we have to attach the mic in here, and here we have to attach our mic. As you can see here, just attach it like this. Okay, finished. Now our mic is attached. Now if you want to take out this, here as you can see over here, here is given a small button kind to press. Okay, so when we just press it and pull it, we can again deattach the mic with the wire. So we will attach it for now, and then let's bring up its wire to attach for our camera and mobile phones. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a small jack like headphone, so we just have to attach it simply to our mobile or camera, and then we can just use it. Okay, now let me show you by attaching this. Okay, as you can see here, this part of the video I am recording it without any microphone. Okay, I am just recording it with my camera's microphone, and I have not wore any microphone in my shirt. Now I will be showing you by attaching this microphone to my camera and showing how it works and what's its quality of sound. Okay, so as you can see, I have attached my mic. Now let me show you by speaking. Hello, you are watching SNS Creation, and this is me, Saksham. So as you can hear my voice, I just spoke in this mic, and my voice is pretty much clear than the voice of without the mic. Okay, so this mic is very useful for us, and as you can listen my voice, I'm speaking this with the mic. Okay, and this is pretty much better than the voice which I spoke without the microphone. Okay, so this mic is also very nice. So as you heard just now, this mic was very useful. As you can see, the sound quality was also very nice, and I also like this mic a lot. Okay, so this mic is very useful, and you can also use it in some parties or functions if you want. And if you want to buy this mic, then I have bought this mic for 1000 ICU, and the link is given in the description. So this is a very good mic, so you can buy it from here if you like. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This mic was very useful, and as you can see, this part also I'm recording with this mic and its sound is very clear. So thank you for watching my video till the end, and if you like this mic, you can buy it from the description, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.